All right, 4,000 Ks in, new Hilux. What's the verdict for us? Big thumbs up. So obviously a lot of vehicles in the market. The Hilux is pretty much, it's one of the staples of the four-wheel drive industry in Australia, and this N90 Hilux is really winning a few hearts and minds with, yep, the look's a bit polarizing to get at the start, but now chunky wheels and tires, bit of a lift, some other features. It's starting to really jump out and stand out for us. We're really digging it. So last video, we just had wheels and tires and the Elite tray. We've done a few things. We've done the IRONMAN lift. We've got the IM 2.5s in there with the upper arms, upgraded 600 kilo rear springs. Gives it a chunky little stance, 50 mm lift, and with the wheel tire combo from ROH, just pops. Roof rack, the new Rhino backbone, non-intrusive mounting systems on there with the rack. No sides, obviously, and we've got the STEDI Mini Evos. We've got 8 of those ready to go. So we're in the final stages of wiring it. The boys did a bit yesterday. Got a GME radiator mount in the cab with an antenna mount up here. And then there's probably a couple other little tweaks we might do. Seat covers, who knows. Keeping an eye on what's popping out for these vehicles. Full drive shows coming very shortly. So for us, there'll be a few things that we can probably chuck into it as well. At the rear, obviously, biggest change to the back end is the canopy. So when it comes to canopies with our display vehicles, we like to sort of offer what's the most popular. So this one for us, the Deluxe Lite Compact, is probably the biggest selling canopy in the lineup across all the canopies. And as a demo vehicle and for where this vehicle's going and what it's doing, this seemed to make the most sense for us as a demonstrator. It's not too heavy, it gives us plenty of functionality. It's got the table drawer set up, the pantry, the fridge, 200 amps of lithium, 2000 watts of inverter. It can do everything. We can charge the laptops, the guys can fit merch in there, display gear, they can go see dealers, they can go camping in the weekend with their mates or their family. It's a multi-use platform that will work for tradies, recreational, work vehicle, and it's something that we've worked hard to sort of try and get a vehicle that can tick the wish list for a lot of people. A few other bits and pieces we'll do soon, but at the moment with what we've got done so far, it's looking pretty good. We'll get some driving videos, chuck that in this, give you a look at how it drives with the new suspension. I'm pretty happy with it, and it's one of those vehicles that there's a few in the team going, oh, new Hilux, and there's some other new cars in the fleet. I want to take the Hilux. So currently this vehicle's being positioned in Townsville. Now it's back in Cairns, and then it'll be in Brisbane come the four-wheel drive show. So if you see it on the road, drop into a Norweld branch, you might be lucky enough to see it there. But yeah, for us, this new Hilux, it's definitely a winner. Yeah, if you haven't thought about one, think about it. They're a pretty good bus. Anyway, cheers.